Right, so we're in Besthorpe, near Collingham. Go for a bit of a walk around the nature reserve. So, let's go. Look. Yeah, it's quite a nice place, this. Look at that tree. Oh, a bit of a tree. Up there. I'm gonna walk around then. Not bad looking lake. Quite cool. Quite peaceful. Look at them, look. It's a bit of woodland. Check this out. Look at that. Yeah, look at that. Check it out. Check out the woodland. Cobbly on foot. Not too bad, is it? I'm digging this scenery. God, I love this time of year. Well, excellent. It's really cool, this is. Some really, really lovely looking scenery. Andy scenery. Andy scenery. Yes, it's pretty. So, hope you like my recent videos, guys. But it's a nice little walk. It's just a day's walk, isn't it? In the sun. Got to get out, ain't you? Got to get out. We have to get out, don't we? Always got to get out and do something. We stopped. Why are we stopping there? Okay. That way, I think. We're not lost. Honestly, we're not lost. We are not lost. Are we lost? A little bit. No, we're not lost. Right, we found a place we're going to go. Wherever down here is. Okay. Trent Lane. Well, over there, let me just show you this. I run back up this hill. Because there is the Trent. Trent Lane. Ironic that, isn't it? Trent Lane? Who'd have thought it? It's near the Trent. Funny, aren't I? No. Well, yeah, it is. It is near the Trent. Right then, we'll go back. Oh dear. These gates are challenging. We done it. Look how pretty that is. Here we go, here we go. On a walk we go. See, do you want me to do my famous run? I think I'm going to run to him. I'm going to run to you. Leggy. Running. Got it. Right, it's a lovely little bird station here, look. Oh. There we are. Quite cool. Okay, so apparently John Meakin wild viewing screen. This is what this is. Yeah. So random bollard. Don't know what. Maybe there's a road down here at one point. And there we go. Another lovely walk. Hope you enjoyed that. Please subscribe and check out my other videos. Thank you. See you then. Thanks for watching New Camping Man.